How to export Spotify listening data for analysis. In order to do that, head over right here to your profile icon, head over to your settings and privacy, and in here you can see this. So what you can do is you can click on the search bar and search in here for data. So you can scroll down and in here you can see all of these things. You can also search in here for export if you would want to. Now, if you want to actually export your listening data, you can head over right here to your listens, which is this recents right here. And then you can see all of these things right here. So you can just plug it in and then connect your listening data for analysis. So for example, head over right here to your browser and search in here for Spotify. So search in here for that, search in here for Spotify. And you can actually enable this first platform Spotify and you can just log in your account from there. So that's how you export Spotify listening data for analysis. Hope we helped.